So basically you've got three basic locations. You've got the original sourcing location, which may be Taiwan. The other materials maybe come from, the plastics will come from another supplier.
Yeah, and the PCB,
And the PCB,
is also
another supplier. And then here you're bringing it all together.
Yeah, we put it to the QC
And then 3 million.
Packing with customer box.
Right. And this is the most popular one.
Yes.
This is the most popular
Yes.
form. And actually, when you go online and have a look at these, this is the cheapest one too.
It's cheaper.
Yes.
And without the cap, you no worry for cap.
Simple assemble. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Simple assembly. I know it's very cheap, so
can do it faster.
It's very
because
good.
for some clients, what they need is price and delivery time. It's okay, and they just need to put their advertisement.
So for say an order of 200, what's your lead time for international
200.
order? 200 USBs. One of these.
204 days.
What's the lead time?
2 days is okay.
2 days.
Yeah. We need 1 day to print the logo and one day do the assembly.
That's assuming you got stock of.
Yeah. Because down the table, we all already passed the test. We no need receiving and to test again.
Okay. So this is a very interesting model because what's interesting here is that for you to have a 2-day lead time requires you to have lots more raw material inventory.
Yes.
So you don't have to ring up your Taiwan, say, oh, can you send it through? They say, oh, there'll be 5 days.
Yeah.
And then you've got to wait 5 days.
We do a lot of stock.
Yeah. So is this all your inventory here or is it in another place?
We just some, and this room we have.
This room here.
We have more.
Secret room here. Yeah. Okay, we've got a secret room here. All right. So, and of course it's divided by memory and things like that. So in terms of inventory, I guess you have some idea that 60% of your sales will be 2 gigabyte and 40% 4 gigabyte and 20% 8 gigabyte. Do you have that model?
Yeah.
Where you have a distribution?
Mostly we sell most is from 1 giga to 8 giga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mostly for 1
But
giga.
in all this stock, you have most of which one?
Yeah.
8?
From 1 to 8.
1 to 8. Oh, all types.
All times.
Okay.
And for smaller capacity or big capacity, only maybe 1 or 2,000 stock. Yeah.
Okay. So if I ring up, if I ring up and say, okay, I want 2,016 gigabyte, so what would be the lead time? In other words, you don't have inventory. 16 gigabyte.
Yeah, just 1 week.
1 week.
Yeah,
7 days.
Yeah.
7 working days.
It's okay. Just the
Calendar
Yeah,
days.
it's okay.
That's still pretty good, isn't it? Without the inventory.
Because for clients, they order now. They want the goods right away.
Yes.
They have something for
Understand.
this feeling.
But 2 days, that's very fast.
Yeah.
And when you say 2 days, you need 1 day for shipping too, right?
We need 1 day to do the logo.
1 day to do logo.
Yeah.
1 day assembly.
To do assembly
and packing.
And packing and ship the same day.
And then ship.
Yes.
Wow, that's very fast.
Yeah, we need to be fast to keep alive in this line.
To beat your competitors, right?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. This is very interesting.
Maybe also for the competitors from other countries. Yeah.
But this is part of your secret sauce because you've got a low margin business, and it's stable, so that's a good thing. And part of the key for your value offering is actually lead time.
Yes.
And in order to have that lead time, you have all this inventory here.
We need to be keep fast and keep the quality to seize more and more market and more clients to cooperate with us.
Okay, so so you're in the US, you're in Europe.
Yes.
What other country do you think you want to grow?
We in December we will go to South Africa.
Wow, South Africa.
Yeah.
That's a long way away.
Yes, because we need to, let more and more people to know us and cooperate with us.
Will they have a trade show in South Africa?
Yes.
I think Global
Also
Sources.
Global Sources.
Global Source have a trade show there.
Yeah, in Johannesburg.
Johannesburg, correct. But now in Europe, which is your biggest market? Is it Germany or UK or France or
In Europe.
just
Europe, Spain.
Spain?
Yeah. Spain.
I see. We had Spain. That's good. Excellent. And that machine is that
This machine is to full color. This uses machine.
Yeah. Put that here.
Yeah.
And you put any photo on it.
Yes,
Is that right?
Yes. Use this computer. And it's a printer now.
So you can do 1, 2, 3. You can do 16 at a
that's why
time.
we can be faster delivery.
It says put down there, then print, and then bang.
Yes.
That's better with the light.
Laser machine.
This laser cutter.
Yeah.
So you can actually emboss or actually engrave onto this part of the USB. That's very interesting. Oh, very good. Excellent. I see you've got the dust or the vacuum. Very good. Excellent. Yeah, so that's it.
Okay.
Thank you, Frank. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If we can help.
Yeah. Well, there you go. That's M&F Gifts China, and there's always something interesting that you can learn from what appears to be a basic manufacturing facility. And in this case, it was about their different strategy, the lead time, inventory management, and how they can be fast to market and to beat their competitors in this way. So this is Neil at the M&F Gifts China, and catch you in the next video. Thank you.